Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys have never been here before, my name is Pamela, currently on Christmas break now. I am so happy. I have 3 weeks home before I head to Spain, but I wanted to get as many good videos as I can out for you guys because I'm so excited to just have this time to relax and film and do what I love to do. Today I decided to do kind of a different video than I've ever done before. I'm going to be doing a pushing myself out of my comfort zone makeup look today because it's a lot of stuff that I've never done before because I am too scared to do anything. Guess what we're trying today? I am so excited. I have been wanting to try soap brows. Here it is. It just came in the mail. I got a 2-pack because Amazon made me get it because it was cheaper and would get here faster. So this is a trend that I've heard about forever and I'm so excited to finally get to do it. I have tried it a couple times with other soaps that weren't translucent or just, I don't know, were just not the right kind, I guess. I don't know. I've either had it where my eyebrows are like completely white and it's so foamy, or it moves it a little bit but it's not strong enough for my eyebrows. So I'm really hoping that because I got the brand that everyone always talks about, that it's gonna work well with my eyebrows because I do have very coarse eyebrow hair, very thick, and doesn't like to listen to brow gels that are way too expensive. So I'm really hoping that this can be an alternative, and if not, I got 2 bars of hand soap to use for Spain, I guess. Oh my gosh, I've seen this soap for so long, it's so weird to like have it now. It smells odd. Huh. But this is what the soap looks like. It's just the Pear's transparent body soap. And I saw online everywhere that a lot of people said it's better to do this before you put down your base because it is a soap, so it can really like wash off your foundation or anything that you have on. So I'm gonna do this step first. I really hope that it works. Like, brow gels are so ridiculously expensive. So I'm just gonna use my Mario Badescu spray and a normal little brow brush. This is just some random brand brow brush that I have. Okay, so I just have my mirror on me now, so I'm gonna be looking over there. But first I'm just gonna brush my brows up because that's what all of the things said to do. I'm so nervous. I really want this to work because I love that dramatic look of just like the laminated brow. So I'm really excited. Hopefully it works. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it real quick. I heard that you're not supposed to spray a ton, so I'm just going to do like 1 spray and hope that that's enough. Maybe not wet enough. Oh god. I'm trying to rub it on it and it's just kind of, oh shoot, making my brush look dirty. I guess we're just gonna try. No, I think it needs to be more wet. That's doing nothing. I just did a couple more sprays on it so that hopefully it's a little bit easier to work with. Apparently it's supposed to thicken up. People just really work it into the brow. So I'm just kind of rubbing it everywhere in all directions to hopefully coat it. Oh my gosh, it's already like doing things. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's working! I just trimmed my brows too, so they're shorter than they usually are, like especially these front ones. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting it to work because I thought my eyebrows were gonna be too thick.
I'm so excited!
Oh my god, I'm never buying brow gel again. Biggest rip-off of my life. Why did no one teach me this?
I love it. I look like a werewolf.
Oh my god, this would be perfect for werewolf costumes. Oh my god, why do I love this? Everyone's gonna think I look like a psychopath, but I really like it. I already have pretty thick brows, but this is like next level. Ew, my eyebrow feels so nasty. I feel like it looks weirder on me than it does on other people on YouTube. I saw one girl, she said that she combs it like this to make it less like wild, but I really love the wild look, but for some reason on me I just think it looks crazy. Maybe I will just do a little bit. Oh, but I don't like the way that looks either. Maybe if I fill it in I'll like it more. Now I'm gonna quickly take my Anastasia brow pomade. Oh my god, do I even need to fill in my brows? Like, I feel like they look fine, but here we are, probably still doing it and going to look terrifying after. So I have it in dark brown, a little bit too light for me. We've gone over this, but it's fine. So I'm just going to do like the hair like strokes that people do because I think that looks so cool when I see it online. Never actually seen it in person, but I mean, let's try. Oh my god, my eyebrows are like so stuck to me, I don't know. Someone sees me in person, they're gonna think I look crazy, I feel like. Oh, but I like it. I'm gonna just do tail.
All of it looks crazy though. Do I even need to be filling this in?
Oh, I feel like this is a bad decision. It's not really turning out with stroke hair things. I don't know why I can never get just like the straight line. I always end up just like filling it. I'm not sure about this, guys. Dang it, I want it to work though. Maybe I just need to do my face makeup, you guys. Maybe once I do my face makeup, it'll be better. Yeah, should I do the other one? Oh, I'm gonna look so crazy if I do the other one too. It's fine, we're gonna do it. I love how like long this soap is about to last me though, because this baby is thick. And I got 2! Ah! So these brows are longer, I think. Because they're looking insane. This is why I can't try new things. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. As she grabs more soap. This is so fun. I just really wanted to turn out good and like to be able to do this every day, but oh my gosh. I look like a werewolf costume without the rest of the costume. Dang it, I wish I looked like a supermodel so this wouldn't look so crazy on me. Oh my god, I look like my dad. Ew, that's why I don't like it so much.
Because I look literally like my dad.
Oh my god! I'm about to put a picture of our eyebrows next to each other. I could do this to my sister though. She's got thin eyebrows and that would look so good on someone with tiny eyebrows. But me, I just look like the woolly mammoth. We're gonna do, oh god, I missed. Stroke like, Pamela. Stroke like. I feel like Lily Collins. Do I look like her? Ew. Okay, I'm gonna do my face makeup and hope that things get better. I'll be back once my base is on because we're gonna do eyeshadow. Hello again. I brought you guys a little bit closer because now that I have my base on, I'm gonna try to branch out with my eyeshadow, which I don't know why scares me so much, but I just literally never, ever, ever do crazy eyeshadow. I do oranges, I do browns, neutrals, shimmers, liner, lashes, but I cannot bring myself to use bright colors. I've tried it before vaguely, like a small amount, and then I just end up like blending it out with a neutral to make it like nothing because I just get so nervous. Also, I look a little bit more normal now, I think. I feel like they still look pretty crazy just because they're completely on my forehead. So I'm definitely gonna have to like figure out, I don't know, I guess how to make it less, I don't even know if there's a way to do it without it being like completely on my face. I think I'm just gonna have to get used to it because I do like how still they are and how they're not gonna move, but I feel like the people that I'm around are gonna think it's weird. I don't know. I'll have to get used to it, but I brought you guys a little bit closer just to look at my eyeshadow while I'm doing it. So this is what my eyebrows look like now. They're pretty wild, pretty werewolf-esque. I have you guys so close. This is so odd. Pimple, ew. First, I decided that I'm gonna use the Jacqueline Hale palette. It's really one of the only palettes that I have besides like a random Morphe one, but it's my favorite palette. So I'm just using the Jacqueline Hale palette that everyone in the world has seen. I want to get the James Charles palette so bad. I like have it in my cart on my phone, but I just don't have the money for it now. So hopefully I'll be able to get it soon. I want it so bad. But I've decided that I'm gonna do like a bluey purple color. Something I have never done before, as I have mentioned. Never ever ever done this before, but I'm gonna be using these 4 shades primarily in this section. I haven't yet decided exactly like how I'm gonna arrange it, but I'll definitely show you guys as I'm going along. I'll still be using transition colors and stuff like that to blend, but I really just wanna do a crazy look and I'll probably put lashes on after, but yeah, I'm very, very excited. So first off, I'm just gonna use a blending brush to put one of the neutral orangey colors from the palette onto my crease just as a transition shade. So now that that is done, I guess we're gonna start going in with the colors. I'm so nervous. This is so weird. So I want the teal color to be the kind of all over my lid. So I'm going to start, I guess, by really packing on that teal color. So I'm going to use this just flat packing brush to put that dark teal color in. And this shade is called Jada in the palette. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. Whoa. Oh, I have never touched this color, but it is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So now that I have that on, I am just going to blend until this is as seamless as I want it to be before I start packing on some shimmers. And I'm going to put that transition shade on this little fluffy brush just so that it's easier to blend it out. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really liking this. Oh my gosh, it looks so blue. So I'm going to first put that teal shimmer on my inner tear duct and a little bit onto my lid, like probably like the inner third of my lid, because I really want that lightest color to be on the inside. So I'm just gonna take that same brush that I used to pack on the blue to put in the shimmer. Oh my gosh. That is so gorgeous. Ah. Oh, that looks kind of crazy. We're being too risky. Oh god. I know I look crazy now, but now I'm really just trying to use that fluffy brush to blend things out because I kind of want it to be messy and kind of smoky. So I'm going to continue to try to blend this under my lower lash line. And I'm kind of grabbing a little bit of that blue that's not shimmery to help me blend out this shimmery portion. I've never actually watched Euphoria, but I'm getting very Euphoria vibes from all the pictures that I've seen of them just because this is so colorful and kind of cloudy, so I'm really liking it. Okay, so now that that shimmer's on, we're gonna start going crazy, and I'm actually going to put that royal blue kind of on the center third of my lid. It's a shiny shimmery blue in the Jacqueline Hale palette. It's called Twerk. Perfect. I'm gonna use my finger for this too. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Okay, so now that that dark blue is just positioned, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that teal color that we've been using this whole time to try to buff this out. I feel like I don't look good, but I mean, I'm having fun. Now I feel like I should stop while I'm ahead.
Ahead probably not looks terrible.
But I want to play with this dark purple color. I don't know if I should though. I already have so much going on right now. Maybe I'll just add the purple to my lower lash line. Ooh, feeling like James Charles. I'm gonna take this pointed fluffy brush and grab the shimmery purple shade in this palette. Looks like it's called Royalty, and I'm just gonna drag it along my lower lash line where the blue isn't. And I'm kind of dragging it out because I really want like a messy, crazy look. So now I'm going to take that teal brush that we've been using this whole time and blend that out. So it's gonna leave a little bit of that teal color under the purple. I look like a Halloween costume. And right now I'm just taking a little bit more of the teal color and packing it on my outer corner because it kind of wore off as we've been blending all these colors. And I'm gonna take a clean brush and try and blend this out a little bit more. Right now, as the finishing touch, I'm just gonna put this pretty icy highlighter that is here in the Jacqueline palette all over my underbrow. Ooh, a little bit too much. It kind of erased my eyebrow. That's embarrassing. Okay guys, I think that is my eyes finished. They look pretty crazy, but I'm actually so happy with it because of how weird it is and how out of my comfort zone it is. I think I'm just gonna throw on some lashes and a little bit of lipstick or lip gloss, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished product. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I actually ended up deciding not to put falsies on because I kind of like the way that my eyes look kind of like mixed in with the eyeshadow. I really like the messy look, so I decided to keep it without lashes, and I'm really happy with it. I realized after that this is a very Christmassy, snowflakey type look because of the purple and blue hues. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but it is very Christmassy. It looks a little bit more teal on camera, I think, than it is. It's a little bit more bluey and purple in person, but I still am really happy with it. I just did kind of a nude ready little lip tint. I'm really happy with how this video turned out today. Like, I was so scared to try both of these things, but I'm really happy that they worked. The brows I really am happy with, although I'm definitely gonna have to find ways to tweak it so that it feels a little bit more natural looking and not so laminated, but it definitely is an awesome hack for people with thick hair like me. My eyebrows really do not stay with any eyebrow gel I've ever used. This is the only thing I've ever had that actually made them stay where I wanted them positioned correctly, and it's so cool. It is a little bit stronger than I would like though, so I'm gonna have to figure out the balance in that, but I'm really happy with it. And this eyeshadow has really shown me how cool colorful eyeshadows can look, and I really want to try to do them more often. This is definitely something crazier than I would ever do just to like walk out of the house, but it was really fun for like maybe a future Halloween look to just go crazy on my eyes. But I love it. I think it's just so fun looking. I really hope that you enjoyed my video this week. I had so much fun filming this. I really think that I might do this again with other things that I've never done before. If you like my video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would so love to have you. We're getting super close to 200 subscribers, which is so crazy, and I would really love to just have you come along with me on my journey. I will be going to Spain in 3 very short weeks, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my video next week. Bye!